Morning guys, or hello even. We just slept in the middle of nowhere last night. A few things have come into the equation. First of all, meant to be meeting Kurt.
That's the Welsh one.
And then, but Kurt was meant to come to us. But apparently, like, Kurt's like 10 minutes away, but where Kurt is...
Apparently it's like Antarctica.
Apparently it's like the fucking blizzards and all kinds of shit. And as you can see, absolutely nothing here. So we don't... Well, Kurt does like to over-exaggerate these things. So we're just gonna go check that fucking...
Like you, isn't it?
Is this what, Welsh? Yeah, so we're going there now. We're going somewhere else later, which is really quite special.
I had an order.
Who is it?
Oh, that won't be hot yet. Fucking hell.
You don't need it to be hot to clear windscreen.
It's from someone called Rich Yelland.
Rich Yelland, we're dedicating this episode to you. Have a great day.
Kurt wasn't alive.
10 minutes down the road and all them hills there are covered in snow. Like, everywhere's covered in snow.
That is only a dusting though.
Look at that nutter walking dog. You fucking crazy bastard. Are they sheep or goats?
It's snow.
Right, so this has literally just come out of nowhere.
Well, that's probably why it gets so fucking bad. Because all the water coming down from there comes out of a pipe onto the road. Oh, no one can get up this hill.
Yeah, I don't think out this hill. It's totally impossible.
Saying that though, these are two heavy 4x4s. Followed by a Clio. This is not snow, this is slush. Fucks up with that guy's car. He's fucked. What's he done?
He's fucked up, hasn't he?
He's crashed.
Fuck, that's not good.
Oh shit.
That guy had crashed.
I think, has that guy broke down? No, I think there's a guy that's broke down.
There's a copper down there. Cop car down there. Someone's fucked it.
Maybe it was that guy. It's shit, it's Kurt.
There's a camper van down there that looks like it's getting towed up.
For this?
Oh, hang on, there's more police.
Where?
Down there. Should we get on roof so we can see? It's not bad. It's just that corner. The place we're trying to find today is the car caves. How the car caves were created was when it used to snow like this.
Sorry, have you been serious? I'll go.
You can come in.
No, I'll go.
Holy shit! He's going for it! Anyway,
What's the coach doing?
I don't know, he's fucking lost the plot. Back in the day when... Oh my fucking god!
That guy's going rogue, my friend. He's like, fuck this shit. I can drive. To let him past.
But he's a smug cunt, don't give a fuck.
You don't. Fucking bus drivers don't.
Yeah, the car cave was created because back in the day when cars crashed up here in the mountains, hills, wherever the fuck we are. Yeah, up in the mountains. Yeah. The cars, they just used to throw the wrecks in an old mine shaft. And there's a bunch of cars in there from the 70s, and that's what we're going to try and find.
What was
today.
the reason? Why?
We're moving anyway. We're officially moving.
Let's see what happened then.
Oh, it's just one guy in it.
There's one guy who's binned it.
Yeah.
But the thing is, right, I think that guy in recovery truck there. Oh no, it's not even a recovery truck. Oh yeah, it is that guy there with fucking camper van on his...
She's not even crashed.
No one's
She's
binned
just
it.
scared. Pussy.
Well,
That's that way by where we were going to park last night. What are you doing?
I think he's just bottled it. I think he's just bottled it.
He's bottled it. You're a pussy. You're a pussy.
They're all waiting here.
They're all fannies. Right. The main thing now is we need to find out where Kurt is.
Oh, there's Kurt. He's there.
His new car.
Oh, he's there. He's right. He's around the corner.
What a fucking fanny.
What's happening?
No.
Are you off to the fucking building site, Kurt?
Got my work boots on, innit?
Do you know the history of this place?
No, I can't find anything online either.
How do I know then?
What?
How do I know?
Because you must be Jesus. It's a slate mine. Don't know. There's shitloads of cars down there though.
It's like, it's way further out than you think it is, isn't it? It's like proper far out.
It's proper like You've got to see it to believe it. Like
People have died trying to get into this cave.
and then
So what, right? So we've got to go down.
Down! You sounded like Arnie
a
then.
wall.
We got. So we're gonna go down this wall,
Yeah,
but we can't go down in wellies.
probably not.
Right. Okay. Let's pack his shoes then.
Fucking
Look at the size of the hail.
That's at least like million size.
Million.
Millions.
The sweets.
Yeah. No, they're even bigger.
They're bigger.
What would you say that is on a scale of sweets?
They're definitely like tennis balls.
Fuck off. I didn't know they were sweets.
We are ready to embark